Have you ever wondered how the world would be without oil and gas? Imagine a time when whale oil was the primary source of fuel. Then, in the mid-19th century, a revolutionary discovery was made. The first oil well was drilled. This marked the birth of the oil and gas industry and sparked a dramatic shift in global power dynamics. It powered our transportation, lit our homes, fueled our industries, and transformed our economies. Indeed, the advent of oil and gas marked a significant turning point in human history. Fast forward to today, oil and gas remain vital to our modern world. These natural resources play an indispensable role in our everyday lives. Think about it. From the warmth of our homes to the fuel in our cars, oil and gas are there, making it all possible. But their impact goes beyond that. They are crucial drivers of economic growth and development, creating jobs and contributing significantly to national GDPs. Let's look at the global stage. Countries like Argentina are investing billions in shale oil and gas production, despite facing economic challenges. Norway, too, is heavily invested in the sector, with billions earmarked for the industry, even as they look towards less resource-intensive futures. These investments highlight the ongoing importance and reliance on these resources. But it's not just about economies. It's about people, their livelihoods, their futures. From the engineer in the oil field to the trader in the stock market, oil and gas touch lives in countless ways. Despite the rise of renewable energy sources, oil and gas continue to be a significant part of our global energy mix, powering industries and economies alike. In the face of alternatives, oil and gas still hold a strong foothold in our global energy mix. But what about investing in oil and gas? Is it a worthwhile venture? Let's delve into this. The world's energy demand is rising, and oil and gas have always been at the forefront of fulfilling this need. This makes investing in oil and gas a potentially profitable venture. For instance, Argentine state oil company YPF has announced a 73% increase in shale oil and gas production. This is a clear indication of the potential returns on investments in this sector. On the other hand, investing in oil and gas comes with its share of risks. Market volatility can impact the value of investments. For instance, Norwegian oil and gas firms have had to adjust their investment plans due to changes in the market. Environmental concerns are another factor to consider. As the world moves towards renewable energy sources, the future of oil and gas becomes somewhat uncertain. Moreover, geopolitical factors can also play a role. Chinese state energy giants, for instance, are currently assessing their investments in Russia due to mounting Western sanctions. This shows how global politics can have a direct impact on the oil and gas sector. Investing in oil and gas can be rewarding, but it's not without its risks. As we look to the future, the question remains, what is the fate of oil and gas? The industry is at a crossroads, grappling with the pressing demands of environmental concerns and the rise of renewable energy. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. Many oil and gas companies are evolving, making strides towards cleaner, more sustainable energy production. They are investing in renewable energy projects, exploring carbon capture technologies, and innovating in the field of hydrogen power. The future may be challenging, but it's also ripe with opportunities for adaptation and transformation. The future of oil and gas may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: their impact on our world is undeniable.